Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoFix Craft. One of the most important parts of a vehicle's ignition system is the ignition coil. Its main job is to boost the battery's low voltage into thousands of volts, creating a powerful spark at the spark plugs. That spark ignites the air-fuel mixture inside the engine cylinders to keep the vehicle running properly. Over time, heat, vibration, and normal wear can cause the ignition coil to fail, leading to different performance and drivability issues. In this video, we'll go over the most common signs that your ignition coil may be going bad. Number 1. Engine misfires. This is usually the most obvious symptom of a failing ignition coil. When the coil starts wearing out, it may work inconsistently and fail to provide a steady spark to the spark plugs. As a result, one or more cylinders may misfire randomly, causing rough idling, vibrations, jerking while driving, and noticeable power loss. Number 2. Rough idle. If you notice your engine RPM moving up and down while sitting at a stoplight, the ignition coil could be the problem. Weak or inconsistent sparks can cause the engine idle speed to fluctuate unpredictably. Number 3. Reduced power and acceleration. Since the ignition coil creates the spark needed to burn the fuel mixture, a weak coil can affect the combustion process. This often leads to reduced engine performance, making the vehicle feel sluggish and slower during acceleration. Number 4. Poor fuel economy. Along with reduced performance, a misfiring engine caused by a faulty ignition coil can lower fuel efficiency. Because combustion is less effective, the engine may burn more fuel than normal, resulting in more frequent trips to the gas station. Number 5. Check engine light. Most modern vehicles use sensors connected to the powertrain control module, or PCM, to monitor the ignition system and engine performance. If the PCM detects misfires or ignition coil problems, it can trigger the check engine light and store trouble codes such as P0300, P0301, or P0302, depending on which cylinder is affected. Number 6. Hard starting. Because the ignition coil supplies the high voltage needed to ignite the air-fuel mixture during startup, a failing coil can make the engine difficult to start. You may notice longer cranking times before the engine finally starts, often running rough at first. Number 7. Gasoline smell from the exhaust. If an ignition coil completely fails, the spark plug in that cylinder may stop firing entirely. This can allow raw, unburned fuel to pass through the exhaust system. As a result, you may notice a strong gasoline smell from the tailpipe, sometimes accompanied by black smoke. I hope you found this overview of bad ignition coil symptoms helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to AutoFix Craft.